Hey guys, it's Sam, and I hope you guys are excited for this tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw a realistic portrait. Step by step, I'm going to show you guys how to draw the face. So step number one is we're actually getting ourselves a reference, because whether or not you think you know what the face looks like, odds are you're gonna miss some nitty-gritty details, you're gonna get things wrong, and references are really important, especially when starting out, to kind of give yourself an idea of what things actually look like rather than guessing. If you'd like to use the reference I'm using, I'll put a link to it in the description down below. So here's this reference. The reference photo is actually in color. I just made it black and white so it's easier to see the values, and for beginners especially, it's pretty much easier to start with a black and white reference photo than with color, because color can just be a little distracting. So step, I guess, number two, or just number one for the drawing aspect, we want to try and break things down. We want to be smart and confident when it comes to drawing, and complex or really detailed things can be kind of scary or off-putting or just overwhelming. You don't know where to start, what to do. So we want to break the complex, detailed forms down into very basic and simple shapes. Simplifying helps us understand better what we're drawing and actually gives us a better foundation to build upon. Think of it like building a house. You kind of want to start with the floor before you add the roof. If you want a more detailed breakdown of this, I have an entire series on the fundamentals linked in the description down below. I definitely recommend checking it out. So with all that said, let's start with a circle. Next step, step number three. It's pretty easy. You just want to work in some details, add a little bit of values to make things pop, and yeah, you're pretty much done. You can always take things further or change up the style or kind of make your own little twist on it, but there you go. That's how you draw a portrait. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like and share with your friends, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!